मैं तो तेरे नाम
I am in Jama Masjid with Prayas. Yo. So I am a UP boy और I used to be of the opinion कि इंडिया का बेस्ट खाना लखनऊ में है until I came to this street, gate number 1 Jama Masjid. And this place has the greatest food joints I have been to. We just had food at Al Jawahar. कैसा लगा तुम्हें कोरमा?
Bro, pretty good. I would say solid like 8 out of 10.
हाँ.
Really nice.
Fucking hell, I just realized I've been yapping this whole time and I forgot to press the record button. Anyway, let's start from the top. First place we went to was Al Jawahar और इस जगह का नाम अल जवाहर इसलिए क्योंकि apparently the founder was buddies with Jawaharlal Nehru and Jawahar means gem. And for the first time मेरे साथ ऐसा हो रहा था कि I was getting full vlogger privileges. Like when we entered Al Jawahar, I had a tripod in my hand. हमने mic लगाया हुआ था. So the staff was super nice to us. When the food came, the waiter he saw me pull out my camera and he took a few steps back and then he did a full entry style में फिर उसने खाना ना रखा बताया कि ये है ये वो है. So first time for me. Al Jawahar के बाद stop number 2 was Haji Ali Muhammad's fried chicken and this fried chicken absolutely slaps. और ये पैक करके खाने में मज़ा नहीं आएगा. If you want to try it, you'll have to go in, sit there and have the authentic experience. This comes with a yellow chutney, the ingredients of which are mysterious to me, but it's tangy and spicy. That's the best way I can describe it. Okay, stop number 2 was Aslam का butter chicken. This place is right opposite Haji Muhammad और इसका butter chicken ऐसा है कि it's just chicken tikka with a lot of butter and dahi. And this also absolutely slaps. Out of all the places we went to, this was by far the best one. Haji Muhammad was a very close second. इसके बाद हम एक जगह ढूंढ रहे थे धागे की कबाब वाली. तो उसका सीन ये है कि the guy shreds the meat so thinly, like it's almost like threads. और उसके कबाब बनाता है. We couldn't find the place. We asked around locally. Nobody really knew what I was talking about. So next time I go to Jama Masjid, I'll find out where this place is beforehand. We ended our food expedition with some dessert. The first of which was मोहब्बत का शरबत. और मोहब्बत का शरबत का ये सीन है कि it's just रूह अफ़ज़ा, milk, ice, watermelon, and his secret is that he sweetens the drink with चाशनी rather than regular old sugar. So it's pretty refreshing. It was just one of those things ki you might as well have it if you're in that street. Finally we finished it off with some Shahi Tukda, which is from a place adjacent to Mohabbat Ka Sharbat. So जितने भी अच्छे खाने के स्पॉट्स हैं ज़्यादातर वहीं हैं गेट नंबर 1 जामा मस्जिद के पास. Over the last couple of years मेरी काफ़ी ट्रिप्स लग गई हैं वहाँ पे. Like every time someone's visiting Delhi, we make sure we go there so we can have some of the best food the city has to offer. And yeah, that's about it for this one. Thanks for watching and yeah, I'll see you guys.